Clear Street Finance and Trade Honest Review Watch before using. Most traders think setting up institutional-grade trading and finance platforms is complicated and expensive, but Clear Street promises to simplify the process for professional investors. Clear Street is a technology-driven brokerage and clearing platform aimed at professional traders, hedge funds, and institutional clients. Their platform offers trade execution, custody, clearing, and reporting services all integrated into a single system. One standout feature is real-time data transparency, allowing investors to track trades, balances, and fees with complete visibility. Most people get this wrong. They assume all brokerages operate the same way. The surprising truth is that Clear Street combines low-latency trade execution with modern API-based infrastructure, giving clients more control over trading strategies and reporting. They also support multiple asset classes, including equities, options, and ETFs. Another advantage is efficiency. Clear Street's automated clearing process reduces manual reconciliation, which can save time and prevent costly errors. Their platform also offers robust compliance tools, helping firms adhere to regulatory standards without added headaches. However, there are considerations. Clear Street primarily serves institutional and professional clients, so retail investors may find the platform inaccessible. Fees can also vary depending on trading volume and services required, so evaluating cost versus benefit is essential. In conclusion, Clear Street is a powerful solution for professional traders seeking a modern, transparent, and efficient platform for trading, clearing, and custody. It's not for beginners, but for institutions. It can improve speed, oversight, and operational efficiency. Subscribe for more honest finance and trading platform reviews before you commit your capital.